بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. Welcome to our channel Prof Nordin Bey Academy for Computer Science and Programming Language. In this video we'll show how to give some beautiful style to the registration form. We have a body and we have a div. The main div is in id registration form. So recall the design of this page. So register, design, registration system. So we give some style to this page. So go to my style in my style folder. So body and background color. We can give gray. And so to view the results, so we can save this and go to register and gray. Alhamdulillah, this is gray. Now try to give some design to this registration form, which contain two arrow divided in two columns. So copy this, Ctrl C, go to the style and write yes, okay, and give some style. For example, background color white. For example, white. We give white. So go to register step by step and check the result. So alhamdulillah, we have this design. So try to move this part in the right. For example, in the left, or padding. Use padding to move this part. So go to my style and write padding what 40 pixel in top and bottom, and 50 pixel in the right and left. So try to check the results. Like to move this part in the. So we have that design. Moved this part. Now go to the form. Margin top. We can use margin top between the navbar and this main area using margin top. So go to and try to margin top to move this parts with for example 20 pixel, and save, view the results, and this is a part. Margin, this is the margin top. So go to Visual Studio and give some style to this registration main, which contain web form. So Ctrl say go to body and and registration main. So padding left, padding try to give some space between in the left using padding left, padding left. So go padding left and padding left with what's a pixel, for example. Control to register and execute the results. Alhamdulillah. Voilà. This is a between. This is a distance. This is the margin left. voilà. إزاحة إلى اليمين ب 50 pixel. Now we try to insert image in the second column in this row. So mini projects and go image and try to go to register, and in this part, the second column, try to insert this image. Voilà, image. Control S, style, yes, go to register, go to this and try to localhost. This image, if we read this image. Now try to give a border of this image, but border only in this face, in the middle of this page. Responsive. This is a web responsive. Voilà. So now copy this register image and go to the style and dièse name of the ID and give some border. If we use border, for example, border 1 pixel solid dièse TDT, for example, and equal to the register, or we actualize. Voilà. We have some border, but we need only a lean vertical line, so we can remove 3 parts. So go to and border left 1 pixel solid and D. Control C and go to actualize. Now we have some line between 2 parts. Alhamdulillah. now خلق حساب جديد. go to this head, go to give a style of this head, for example. So go to register and register, and we have some so registration form ou bien registration mail. Go to my style and yes, this style h3 and give some margin button. For example, we need margin button, a distance between input text and this h3. We use margin button. So go to Visual Studio and margin button 20 pixel, for example. So Ctrl S, go to our page and actualize. This is a distance between h3 and input text. Now font size, for example, font size, we give it, for example, 30 pixel. For example, font white bold, and font family للسدا sense. For example, we can give it. We can so save, go to this and actualize. خلق حساب جديد. We can move this خلق حساب جديد to do left for margin or margin left. Now moving this h3 in the left, so we can use margin left, margin left dot 12, for example 12 pixel. Save and switch to our page and try to خلق حساب جديد. الحمد لله. We can use margin button of H input text margin button. Try to move this picture in the middle, in the center. So we can go to Visual Studio and go to My Style and L'image and margin, for example, margin auto. So Ctrl S, and try to actualize. So go to this one. Pas de problem. Now try to change the color of gray. So gray is not colorable. So For example, this color, this gray light. Let's go to our sheet and actualize. So we have some specific gray. Now try to move this image in the bottom to have some line in this area. Go to image and margin, so margin bottom, kind of, for example, 10 pixel. Can save, go and actualize. We need that this image move into padding. So padding, we use padding. Sorry, try to check this padding. Padding, Ctrl S, go to our projects. Padding bottom, top. So padding top, kill top. Control C, go so alhamdulillah مع top. Voilà. We can use for example 12. Check the results. 12. So 12 is not conformable. Top. This image. Go. Alhamdulillah. No. Can use sorry, we can use for example 20. Alhamdulillah, voila. This is very good. Now try to give some seal to this input text in the next video. And thank you very much, and see you again to complete the sale of this page step by step.